Thanks for clicking on the video. In this video, we will explore creative photography techniques using a drone. Going beyond the fast-paced world of FPV flying showcases the beauty of the world from above. Get ready for a blend of fun and learning in real-life world examples point of view. I'm going to fly DJI Avata 2 to capture a stunning video of the Statue of Union, Hanuman, the third tallest statue in the United States, performing FPV freestyle tricks like close proximity, orbits, flips, rolls, split S, and gaps. These flying techniques apply to all FPV drones such as DJI Avata 1, Avata 2, and DJI Neo. Stay tuned till the end for some valuable tips and post-flight breakdown to better help you understand the process. Thank you for helping me hit 25,000 views. This milestone fuels my passion to bring you more content. Now, without further ado, let's get up in the air. I got my DJI Avata 2 here, and we're gonna go ahead and explore the statue we were talking about. Welcome aboard. I'm gonna use the top of the truck as my launching pad. I have the DJI Remote Controller 3 right here. We're gonna be flying it manual mode, of course. Gonna be doing also manual and some sport to do some exploration. Alright, I am in the Delta airspace up to 400 feet. I already get permission to fly it. Alright, here we go. Let's go ahead and switch to manual mode. 25 degrees on the angle. Engine start, and let's go. Okay, first thing first, survey the area. I don't see any power lines here. Okay, I see the wind is coming from the right now. There's some power lines here I gotta watch for. I'm about 60 feet, so if I stay above 60 feet here, I'll be fine. Look at that flag. That tells you where the wind's coming from. It's coming from this way. That's where the wind is coming from. Any power lines here to deal with? I don't see any. Alright, let's start. So what I usually like to do is I like to showcase the area for the viewer to show them what it look like and what's surrounding it. So you go far away a little bit, might get on the top of the road, turn around here, and we just show it this way. Start a little bit high, going down. So I'm showing this area right here. I'm showing what it look like around it. Be going down, then I'm gonna start my orbit. Start from the bottom and going up. It's much better scenery. There are some people over there. I'm watching for them. I'm not right on top of them. It's very windy right now. Nice, beautiful. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go a little bit farther here. I want to do a backflip. You see, FPV tricks, you can use them to make a cinematic video. That's what I do all the time. Alright, see, then after that you stitch it in the darkroom or in post together, and you make a nice video of it. Right, so let's go ahead and do something else now. Okay, let's show it in this angle. Oh, that was tumble. I hear it. It always happens when it's very windy. Okay, let's show the face more. Nice. A bit farther. Oh, that's my favorite part over there. The squirrel is my favorite. Look at the squirrel. He's really cool. There's the squirrel. Alright, so let me go back this way, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a dive on it. The wind is coming from this way, so this is a good way to do a dive. 300 feet, and here we go. I don't like this dive too much. I'm gonna try another one. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna try to do a roll. %57 on the battery. Let's do like kind of down kind of shot going upward. Okay, let's start from here. Close proximity. Nice. Beautiful. Okay, the people on the other side, so very nice. See how windy it is? I'm like barely moving fighting that wind. Alright, let's go ahead and switch to sport. Well, I want to explore some of the stuff before the battery get down. The people are over there, so I'm not gonna be bothering them. Some elephants here, and my favorite part is the squirrel. This is my favorite part right here. Okay, I see the people over there. I'm not close to them. I'm gonna go back a little. Cool. I like that. Okay, let's look a little bit closer at the statue. Okay, obviously it has a monkey feet, I think. I like the necklace. I don't know what it means, but it's really cool. The face. Some people say it's beautiful, and I hear some people saying it's really ugly. What do you think? You can leave that in the comment below. Okay, it has a ring over here. I don't know what that means. Let's get closer to the ring. I meant to say the bell, not ring. It's a nice bell right here. Let's get it closer. Thought it would be a real bell, but I think it's closed. Yeah, it is. Wow, this is cool. Imagine how much work they had to do to build it. They built it somewhere else and they brought it here. It's the third largest in the United States, believe it or not. 33% on the battery. Look at that. What is this exactly? I have no idea. What is he holding in the hand? Okay, I'm watching for the people, so I'm not flying on top of them. But there's some white lines over here. I'm not sure what is these for. I gotta watch for that. Okay, let's take a look in the back. 30%, so I'm about to finish here. Nice hair, buddy. Alright, that's it for the day. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it back. That was really cool. I hope you enjoy it. Switch into normal mode. Right, need to be careful because it's very windy right now. Gotta be careful with that. It's pushing, the wind is pushing around too much. Alright, we're back. Let's go ahead and get the drone first. Here it is. Thanks for watching. I will post a link of the final version of the video on the first comment. I'm hoping to encourage and inspire you to create your own videos. Okay, I'm gonna be giving you some tips here. First, when you want to start like from far away, so you can show the landscape of what you're trying to capture, so you can give the viewer what it's gonna look like. 2, make sure you understand where the wind comes from. Find out where the wind is coming from to help you encounter the wind forces. 3, survey the area from power lines or things that you might hit while you're flying. Surveying the area is very important. 4, note the heights of the object you're trying to capture to determine the appropriate heights that you need to fly. 5, if you're doing orbits, start from the bottom up. It's better for scenery. 6, time of the day. Pay attention to where the sun is coming from to determine how it's hitting the object. Avoid shooting directly into the sun. Instead, position your object behind the sun. It's better for lighting. Thanks for DeepSeek, the advanced AI that helped me write down the points of this video. If you like this video, give it a like, leave a comment, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Don't miss out on my other videos. There are many to explore. Catch you in the next one.